This is On Tilt Trading with today's live crypto market analysis and trade strategy. This is the New York PM session. Today is August 5th, 2025. I am currently long in a Bitcoin position. I'll walk you through my previous trade really quickly, and then we'll go into my current position. So my previous trade was taken here off of the 5-minute chart. This was based off of this white line that you see here. This is the 8 a.m. candle in New York. This yellow line is the 8:30 a.m. open. This purple line is the 12 a.m. New York opening price. This orange line that you see here, this is the swing high here that I traded off of. So this is the swing high down here. This is the most previous swing low from the previous session. This is the most previous or most. This is the most recent swing high from the previous session. This is the most recent swing low from the previous session. This candle here, I'll move the Fibonacci retracement tool here. And this candle here closes above this swing high, which gives me a short bias. Then you can see price action is delivered to the sell side here. Fair value gap forms. There's also a market structure shift here. So at least let's slow down a little bit here. So we get this price action here with the close above this swing high here. We get a market structure shift. Get a market structure shift here. Also get a fair value gap formed here, and then this here would be 8:30 New York time. So we're getting the time aspect of the trade correct. So now I'm just looking for an entry. Once that happens, I take an entry. Let me put the Fibonacci retracement tool back up. So I took an entry just on the just north of equilibrium here into this area of premium. So above equilibrium we have premium pricing. Below equilibrium we have discount pricing. So to buy, you want to buy in discount, sell in premium. If you want to sell, you want to sell in premium and cover in a discount, which is what I was attempting to do here. So with the short signal here, with this closure above this swing high, as I mentioned, everything with the market structure shift, fair value gap, and then at the correct time period, we get pullback. I take the entry. Ideally, the entry would be here at the rebalance, or at least what I want to start doing with my entries is take them at rebalance. And then a measured move from the high of this candle body to the low of this candle body. Put the measured move, and I'll go down to the 15-minute, which will be easier to showcase. Put it right into this fair value gap right here, in this price action. This price action here is happening within this area here. But what I observed was, if you can see this area here, I'll put a line up so it can be seen easily. You can see price action traded down past the fair value gap and tested this order block here and held. So when I saw this, I decided to watch to see if it would reach my target. So my profit target is actually right here, with a price action with sell side delivery below these candle bodies, which was the measured move. I'm comfortable with an exit here at a rebalance. So I wound up watching price action, and then 11 o'clock New York time came in, and then I went to look to make an exit because price action can be difficult to read during that time. And then when price broke this high here of this candle, I took an exit. So my exit was about right here in the fair value gap. So pretty close to where I would want to take a target, and anywhere in the fair value gap will do for taking profit. I just prefer the rebalance to maximize the earning potential on the trade. But again, when I noticed, and then this here is the exit that I took here. You can see buy side delivery was coming back in here. Then the trade that I'm currently in on the 60-minute, when I noticed that there's going to be a pool of sell side liquidity here. When this pool of sell side liquidity was not traded into, and then seeing the price action here, I put the Fibonacci retracement tool up, and then found this trading opportunity here for a long trade here on the 60-minute. And then I'll walk you through what I was seeing here this morning that gave me a long bias on this time frame. So this is the swing high, most recent swing high from the previous session, and back here is the most recent swing low from the previous session. And then this orange line is in conjunction with that. It's dotted because that line has been breached with this candle here closing below that level. And as long as this happened before anything closes above this level, this gives me a long bias. So with my long bias, I'm waiting for price to trade into a bullish fair value gap. And when price, when I'm looking for a long and price gives like let's say a dramatic short or short delivery with speed, like it's doing in this two candles here, I'm going to look for an optimal trade entry. And that's what was happening while I was taking profits here in this area. It was actually giving an optimal trade entry at the same time. So this morning, this trade here traded into this trade, or traded into this trade here. So I took an entry here in this candle right here. I think the timing would be in conjunction with this candle right here on the 5-minute chart. And then price delivered to the sell side, consolidated. We get this gap in price here, and then we get the rebalance here. But this imbalance gap got my attention, but rebalanced here pretty quickly. And now getting some buy side delivery. Just looking to see if I can get an opportunity to take a position here on the 5-minute. I could have, but for risk management reasons, I want to only trade in the direction where I have the bias for the session. And this candle here closes above this swing high here, so this would only give me a short bias for this session. And even though it price was delivered into this fair value gap, there's a fair value gap right here, I could have taken a position and targeted any of this fair value gap area here, or this liquidity void area, but there are fair value gaps in here, at least these two here. There's one here, and there's one here. So I could target these two, but I want to stick to my risk management rules and only trade based on my bias. And since my bias was short, you can see a short did come in, but this fair value gap here sent the short back to the buy side. And then for a stop loss, got my stop loss down here, just below this swing low down here, the fair value gap swing low. So it's 111,854.2. So it's 20 cents away from the low of this candle. And then for take profit, got take profit here, targeting this fair value gap, the rebalance of this fair value gap here. Seeing some consolidation, currently price trading around the 113,500 level. But it'll be interesting to see how price action plays out here for the rest of the day. So I would imagine with this position, it's likely going to trade into tomorrow's session. So looking at this as a short-term position here. But if all goes well, I'll be able to take profit, really small size on this as I'm getting more comfortable with the ICT 2022 model here. But this is on tilt trading with today's live crypto market analysis and trade strategy for the New York PM session. We'll see you next time.